Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. This is where you'll create the event that you want your recipients to be able to add directly to their calendars. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Event. This opens up the event creation window where you'll build your calendar invite. Now it's time to add the details of your event. In the title field, input a name for your event, something clear and descriptive like webinar registration or product launch meeting. After that, you can edit all the other details about the event, including the date, time, location, and any additional description you want to include. These details are important because they'll be visible to anyone who adds this event to their calendar from your email. Take a moment to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save at the top of the event window. This creates the event and adds it to your Google Calendar. You should now be able to see it displayed on your calendar view. Next, locate and click on the event you just created on your calendar. This will open up the event details in a pop-up window. Now, look toward the top of this window and click on the three dots icon. This opens a drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, click Publish Event. This action makes your event publicly accessible and generates a shareable link that anyone can use to add the event to their own calendar. After you click Publish Event, a new window will appear showing the link to the event. You'll see a button that says Copy next to the link. Go ahead and click Copy. This saves the event link to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into your HubSpot email. Now it's time to head back to HubSpot. Once you're on your HubSpot dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. From the options that appear, click Email. This takes you to the email management area where all your marketing emails are stored. Browse through your list and click on the email where you want to insert the calendar invite link. This opens the email editor so you can make changes to the content. Within the email body, find the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be something like add to calendar or reserve your spot. Highlight that text by clicking and dragging over it. With the text highlighted, look at the toolbar at the top of the email editor and click the link icon. This opens a field where you can insert a URL. In the URL field, paste the event link you copied earlier from Google Calendar. Once the link is pasted, confirm or save the changes to apply the hyperlink to your selected text, and that's it. You've successfully inserted a calendar invite into your marketing email in HubSpot. Now, when recipients click that link, they'll be able to add your event directly to their calendar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.